Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Engineer. In this video, we are going in depth of our research. So, when you start your research, you basically find out what is actually the previous literature work that has already been done. Now, to begin with, I will explore IEEE Xplore. Right. So there are previous articles that has been published on IEEE Xplore. We are going to check how you can find out the articles in IEEE Xplore based upon dates, based upon articles submitted, and based upon conference, journal, magazine. There are lots and lots of things that makes students, researchers mostly confused most of the time, and they end up by checking the paper which are irrelevant. So to begin with, I will search here IEEE Xplore. So the website is ieexplore.ieee.org. I will leave this website in the comments. And then when you open this website, first of all, what you can see is the all, and here there is a search, that is advanced search also. And then you can see here there is a browse window where you can browse the books, conference, courses, journals and magazines, standard, recent published, popular. So first of all, just ignore everything. The area which you are interested to work in, first of all, you have to target that. So recently the work has started at a rapid pace on the renewable energy system. So I will just show you one of the smaller renewable energy aspect. Okay. So I will start with wind turbine. Wind turbine. So if you are unaware of where to start with your research, just type a lame name. Just type the name of some of the thing, like you can type the solar PV, you can type the wind turbine and just press the enter. I don't know where to start the research with. I will type wind turbine. Now, whatever research in that wind turbine exists, all research will come to you. And then you have to read the papers and then you have to decide whether you have to carry out research in that field or you have to skip that paper. So, till then it is getting results. We have to wait. After getting results, you can clearly see that it is showing me basically one of the 25 articles, like there'll be 1, 2, 3 and so on 25 in this page, right? This is what it is showing. And we have 27,063 papers titled with wind turbine or that wind turbine exists in that paper, right? So it don't only just define into the title, basically it enters the paper and check the title wind turbine inside also. Now it basically depends upon you, what you want to read, whether you want to read a conference paper or you want to read a journal paper or you want to read a magazine or you want to read a book. So basically, let's try journal. When I type journal and then I can click on apply, then what will happen here is I can get papers, not only the latest papers, but also the previous paper that has been published with the title wind turbine. Now see, 2011 and today is 2023. Maybe when you are watching the video, it might be the 2024, 2025 and so on. Now, if you think that you can read this paper or you want to read this paper, just click on this and then you can read this paper. But what mostly is preferred in the research field is we can read the paper, but first start with the latest paper. What exactly has been happened in few years, like if it is 2023. So I will go here and I will just type, see, from 1907 it is showing me paper till 2024. So I will go ahead with 201. Let's type 2020, 2020 to 2024. So for 4 years, the paper will be present in front of me. And after I am over by reading this 4 years paper, then I can go to the previous paper to check whether I want to read the paper for the previous years or not. Or if I can read and find my novel idea or idea from these papers, then I can go ahead with my topic, right? So these are the topics. Now, there are some of the papers that have been written in the different languages. For example, this is a IEEE Latin America transaction 2021. So if I open this, I guess this is in different language because I have found in literature in IEEE itself, some of the articles has been written in different languages. No, it's in English only, but based upon your preferences, you can select, you can shortlist the authors from here. Like if you know the particular author, so you can just search his name and you can just click it. So and then affiliation, from where it is affiliated, and then publication title. For example, IEEE Access. This is an open access journal. Or you can just search various other journals like IEEE transactions in power system, IEEE transactions on energy conversions, and so on. There are various types of journals. And the bracket which you can see is a type of that number of articles that has been published in this particular journal, right? Now, if I scroll down, I can see the publisher. There are different type of publishers in that. This is a Chinese Society of Electrical Engineering, IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer. This is a State Grid Electric Power Research Institute, CMP, China Machinery Industry Information Institute, CES. There are various other institutes. Whatsoever you want, just click it and you will get it. Okay, then supplementary items, publication topics. Now you have a broad aspects of wind turbine. Now you want to go deep into wind turbine. You will find various types. What you want? You want an optimization in wind turbine. You want fault diagnosis in wind turbine. You want offshore installation, power generation economics. There are various aspects to study in one particular research area. Now, if you want to see the economics of power generation economics, right? I will just click it. I'll just click on apply. Now, earlier I've selected IEEE and this is a power generation economics. It will combine both and give me the papers from IEEE in power generation economics. Yeah, these are the papers. Now, if I want to read it, I will just click it and it will open me the paper. Yeah, this is a paper. Now I can read the paper and check whether I can work in this area or not. So there are different ways like people start with. I start with reading with the conclusion part. I'll scroll down to the end. Just a sec. I don't know why it is not opening. I'll open the PDF version of this article. Once it is open, so basically there are different ways to get started by reading the research paper. Some start with the abstract. I start with the conclusion part. So basically to get to know exactly what the work has been done in the paper, I start with the conclusion part and read exactly what is the research that has been done and what is the conclusion that has been carried out by carrying out the research. Whether I should read that paper or not. The basic idea we get from the conclusion part. And then go to the abstract part. And then to the methodology and then to the introduction. Why so? Because it gives me the basic idea, like whether I can implement that thing or not. Because everything you see, you can check, it's difficult to implement. But if you give some time to that, simulations or hardwares, it's easy. So methodology will give you a vague idea whether you can implement that or not. There's some, I think, server issue with IEEE. PDF file is taking so much time to open. So you can follow the process, what I have suggested you, or you can go along your way. So this is a way you can search a paper in IEEE. In the next few videos, we are going to explore much more in depth of how to carry out our research, how to check your paper for plagiarism in Turnitin software, and so on. Till then, you can subscribe our channel, IEEE Engineer, and thank you for watching this video.